All right, so I want to make a quick video explaining Git conflicts and trying to take the scariness out of them. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We have a branch called main. We have one file in this branch called file.txt, and the file says hello. Right, so this would be our production branch, our normal main. Right, so let's say I need to make a change, right? So I'm going to go in there and create a new branch, and I'm just going to call it my changes. Okay. Then I'm going to come in here and change this from hello to goodbye. All right. So we do a git status. We can see I've changed that file, so I'm going to add it. I'm going to commit it. I set it to goodbye. All right, and then while I'm doing that, Matt has to make a change to the website. So Matt goes to main, and he creates a new branch. Right, we're in main. It's still set to hello because I haven't merged my changes. So Matt has the current production version, so he's going to create a new branch and call it Matt's changes. All right, and so he's gonna go in there and set this to something else. I like pizza. And then he's gonna do a commit. All he's gonna do is git status. And it's gonna do is git add. Gonna do is git commit. Right, and then he's going to go back to main, and he's going to merge his changes, right? So it's set to hello, so he's going to go git merge Matt's changes. Boom, right? So now it's I like pizza. Now Matt was the second person to make a checkout of main, so he started working on main after I did. But I never merged mine because my work was going to take longer to make. So now I go back into main and I try to do a merge. Boom. Right? Immediately we get a message here, auto merging, and then it says there's a conflict. So there's two things you got to look for. You got to look for the word conflict in your terminal here, and you also have to notice that the branch is different, right? It used to be just main, now it's main merging. That means we're in the middle of a merge. So if you open the file, it adds these little helper things for you. It looks a little confusing and scary, but it's not. There's two pieces of text that are different, and it's trying to separate them and show you both of them. So this first one here, this block between this and this is one change, right? I like pizza. And this block between this and this is another change where I set it to goodbye. And it's telling you where the changes are coming from, right? So I have a branch called my changes, and this bottom part is coming from there. This top part is the head, which means basically what it was before I tried to do a merge. So I was in the main branch and it was set to I like pizza, so that's the head. So now you just go in here and tell it which one of these is the right one. It's clearly not going to be I like pizza, so I can just go in here and delete these three lines and this, and we're good. Or you can use the tools presented here, right? You can go to resolve in the merge editor if you open the file, and it's going to show you the exact same thing. It's going to show you there's two versions, right? And what it's going to be like when you apply the changes, right? So you can come in here and there's little links. You can't really see them right here, but there's a link that says accept this one or accept this one, right? So I don't want it to be I like pizza. I want it to be goodbye. So I'm going to accept incoming, and you can see now the final result will be that it'll say goodbye. And then you complete the merge, and what happens then is, you know, you've made a change to the file, so you have to pretend that you did that manually, that you went in there and you edited a file, because you did. So you go ahead and you git add. You don't actually have to add it because it's already added, but just for the sake of consistency, we'll add that file. We'll make a commit that says fixes merge conflict, right? And now we're back to main instead of main merging. We're ready to go. And then it says what we expect it to say, goodbye, and everything is ready to be pushed. Anyways, I hope that clears everything up. If you have any questions, let me know.